Welcome to the MyOTC registration tutorial. To begin, use your internet browser to navigate to my.otc.edu. Click the Login button, enter your OTC username and password, and click the Sign In button to log in to MyOTC. Select the three horizontal white bars on the top of the vertical dark gray bar to the left of the page to expand the navigation menu. Select the down-facing arrow to the right of Academics and again to the right of Student Planning to expand the navigation menu. Select View Plan and Register. Let's begin by choosing sections of a planned course. If you haven't already planned a course or would like to choose a different section, please refer to our MyOTC Planning tutorial or our MyOTC Degree Audit and Planning tutorial. Planned courses appear in the left-hand menu. Use Filter sections to help narrow down your options based on availability, location, days of the week, time of the day, and instructor. Once you find a section that meets your needs, click the box of the section you would like to add. After reviewing the section details, select Add Section to plan the section. Planned courses will appear in yellow and say Planned on their course card in the left-hand list. If you'd like to register a single specific section, click the Register button on the section card in the left-hand menu. If you'd like to register all your planned sections, click the Register Now button on the top right-hand corner of the main window. Registered classes will appear green in the schedule and say Registered but not started on the course card in the left-hand list. Don't forget to submit the My Payment Plan the same day you register. If you'd like to view the My Payment Plan screen, select the View Registration Charges button on the right side of the red banner on the top of the main window. You must submit the My Payment Plan the same day you register or you will be dropped from your registered courses. For additional information on planning and registration, please watch our MyOTC Planning tutorial, MyOTC Degree Audit and Planning tutorial, MyOTC Waitlisting tutorial, or MyOTC Drop or Withdrawal tutorial. Thank you for watching the MyOTC registration tutorial.